Suppose we know that kinetics for first order reaction is K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. And from here what we can write is Kt is equal to 2.303 log A naught by A. This is what we can write, or we can write from here K by 2.303 into T is equal to log A naught by A. That is, you can write this one as log A naught minus log A is equal to T. And from here we get your log A is equal to minus K by 2.303 T plus log A naught. So this is form that we are getting. This is for first order kinetics. Now you see this expression is of the form of y equal to mx plus c. So you see this term is matching with this one, x is matching with this one, m is matching with this one, and y is matching with this one. Since we know the graph of y is equal to mx plus c is a straight line, that means if we plot log A, versus t, we should get a straight line. We should get a straight line with negative slope. That means like this, negative slope. So suppose you can write a question here. How can we understand that a reaction is of first order? Suppose a reaction is we are studying. How can we know that the reaction is of first order? The answer will be like this. On plotting log A versus T, if we get straight line, that means the reaction is of first order. If the plot of log A versus T is not a straight line, suppose we are not getting a straight line, then it will mean that the reaction that we are studying is not of first order. So you see, in this way by graphical plot, we can at least say whether a reaction is first order or not. Remember one thing, from here we cannot say if the reaction is not of first order, then it is of what order, that we cannot say. We are able to say if it is first order or not a first order. Okay, so in the same way, you know, we can also do for zero order reaction, whether a reaction is of zero order or not, that also you can say. For that you have to start with, you know, the kinetics for zero order reaction. So children, you remember the kinetics for zero order reaction? What was the equation for zero order reaction?